talking about using deductive reasoning and using a Venn diagram. So example 3 in our textbook, all dogs are mammals, all mammals are vertebrates, Shaggy is a dog. What can be deductive about Shaggy? So we have dogs, and we know in order to be a dog you have to be a mammal. So a mammal encompasses all dogs. So in order to be a dog, you have to be a mammal. All mammals are vertebrates. So in order to be a mammal, you must be a vertebrate. So Shaggy is a dog. What can be deducted? We know Shaggy is a dog, so we can say Shaggy is also